Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about learning the basics of dynamic blocks in Autocad and understanding how they are different from normal blocks. Before learning dynamic blocks, you first need to understand two important concepts: block definition and block reference or block instance. Let's start with a simple example. Normally, when creating a block in Autocad, you select an object, type B for block, press enter, give the block a name, choose a base point, and click OK. At that moment, Autocad stores all that information in the drawing database. This stored information is called the block definition. The block definition includes selected objects, base point, properties, scale settings, explode behavior, and other block settings. Even if you delete the block from the drawing area, the definition still remains saved inside the drawing. Now, when you use the insert command and place that block into the drawing, it becomes a block reference or block instance. So remember, block definition equals information stored in Autocad, block reference equals the actual block placed in the drawing. This concept is very important before learning dynamic blocks. Now let's move to dynamic blocks. Here I have one normal block, one dynamic block. The biggest difference is that dynamic blocks have dynamic properties. That means certain properties can change from one instance to another. Let's see how. If I copy a normal block and edit one instance, all other instances update automatically because they all follow the same block definition. For example, if I stretch one normal block, every copied instance changes too. But dynamic blocks work differently. When you select a dynamic block, you'll notice special blue grips. These grips allow you to modify the block directly. For example, stretch the block, change size, adjust shape, modify properties. And the best part is, only that specific instance changes. Other copies of the same dynamic block remain unchanged. That means changes happen to the instance, not to the original block definition. This is the main power of dynamic blocks. They allow flexibility while still using a single block type. And that's the basic introduction to dynamic blocks in Autocad. In the next video, we'll learn how to create dynamic blocks step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Autocad tutorials.